Hi, welcome to Radiant Minds Academy. So we are asked to solve for the value of n to the power of m, given this exponential equation. So let's get started. So we are given that x to the power of 3 divided by 4 multiply by root of y divided by x multiply by y to the power of 5 divided by 8 is equal to x to the power of m multiplied by y to the power of n. Now at this point, we will focus mainly at the left-hand side. So this equation becomes x to the power of 3 divided by 4 becomes y to the power of 1 divided by 2 divided by x to the power of 1 divided by 2 times y to the power of 5 divided by 8 equal to x to the power of m times y to the power of n. This expression here can be written as x to the power of 3 divided by 4 multiplied by x to the power of 1 divided by 2 times y to the power of 1 divided by 2 multiplied by y to the power of 5 divided by 8 equal to x to the power of m times y to the power of n. So since we have the same base here for x and the same base for y, we can apply the multiplication law of indices. So the equation becomes x to the power of 3 divided by 4 minus 1 divided by 2 multiplied by y to the power of 1 divided by 2 plus 5 divided by 8 equal to x to the power of m times y to the power of n. So at this point, we can take LCM in our index. So we have that x. So at this point, 4 is LCM because 2 is a factor of 4. So this becomes 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 1 times 2 is 2. So we have minus 2 times y. Also, we take LCM. Since 2 is a factor of 8, so 8 is LCM. So 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4 times 1 is 4. Also, 8 divided by 8 is 1. 1 times 5 is 5. Equal to x to the power of m multiplied by y to the power of n. So at this point, we have it that this is x. 3 minus 2 is 1. So 1 divided by 4 times 4 plus 5 is 9. So y to the power of 9 divided by 8 equal to x to the power of m multiplied by y to the power of n. So at this point, if we compare values, we have it that m is equal to 1 divided by 4 and n is equal to 9 divided by 8. But we are asked to find the value of n to the power of m. So therefore, n to the power of m is equal to 9 divided by 8 to the power of 1 divided by 4. So this can become 3 raised to the power of 2 all raised to the power of 1 divided by 4 divided by 2 raised to the power of 3 all raised to the power of 1 divided by 4. So at this point, if 2 divides 4, we have 2. If 2 cancels itself, we have 1. So this becomes 3 raised to the power of 1 divided by 2. Also, we have it here that 3 times 1 is 3. So 2 raised to the power of 3 divided by 4. So at this point, we have been able to find the value of n to the power of m. Thank you so much for watching. And if you know you found the video helpful, please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exam questions like this. Bye, and I will see you in my next video.